Make a great choice today with the 2018 RS5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.9-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, overhead console, cargo area light, rear floor mats, compass. Don't think too hard. That's the key with the Audi RS5. Just get in and drive. Come take a test drive today.